Where to watch Naruto Shippuden. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnet and today I'll guide you on how and where you can watch Naruto Shippuden. Well, if you are an anime fan like me and you wanna watch Naruto Shippuden, whether dubbed or subbed, the anime itself is available on various platforms. Well, if you wanna watch it, you can watch it on Netflix, for which you'll have to get subscription, or you can get it on Amazon as well. The other platforms are Crunchyroll, Roku, Hulu, and such. Now you can watch it on Crunchyroll for free with the ads, however. So these are the websites where you can officially watch Naruto Shippuden. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you want to know where you can watch other various animes as well.